हाय चिल्ड्रन, नमस्ते। आप कैसे हैं? कुशल है ना? मुझे आशा है कि सब लोग कुशल होंगे। आई होप यू ऑल वेल एंड गुड। माय डियर चिल्ड्रन, स्टे होम, बी सेफ एंड वॉच योर ऑल सब्जेक्ट वीडियो क्लासेस। ओके, आपका स्वागत। वेलकम टू हिंदी वीडियो क्लास. What we are going to learn today? See here, Part 16, Lesson 16, Vyakaran. Grammar part. Title is Visheshan. What is Visheshan? Yes, adjective. Definition, परिभाषा, संज्ञा या सर्वनाम की विशेषता प्रकट करने वाले शब्दों को विशेषण कहते हैं. विशेषण वर्ड that reveal the attribute of noun or pronoun. It is called Visheshan. In English, adjective. Sangya means noun. Sarvanam means, yes, pronoun. That reveal the attribute of noun or pronoun. It is called adjective. Here given some sentence. See here, this is red color given. No, these are adjectives. दिल्ली एक विशाल नगर है. Delhi is a vast city. विशाल means vast. It is called adjective. भारत लोग बहुत बहादुर हैं. Indian people are very brave. बहुत, here given बहुत is adjective. बहुत means more or very much. Okay. मेरा दोस्त ईमानदार है. My friend is honest. ईमानदार is adjective. उसका भाई मेरा मित्र है. His brother is my friend. Here given mitra is adjective. शीला अच्छी लड़की है. शीला is a good girl. अच्छा means good. Here given feminine. शीला is feminine. So अच्छी लड़की, अच्छी is adjective. तुम कौन सी कक्षा में पढ़ते हो? Which class are you studying? कौन सी is adjective. Understood? Next, kriya visheshan, adverb. What is adverb? The word noun reveal the meaning of the verb. It is called adverb. संज्ञा शब्द के क्रिया के अर्थ में विशेषता प्रकट करते हैं. क्रिया means verb. Noun word reveal the verbs. It is called kriya visheshan, adverb. Okay, kriya means verb. कुत्ते जोर से भौंक रहे हैं. Dogs are barking loudly. जोर, it is called adverb. भौंक means barking. It is verb. जोर से भौंकते हैं. जोर, this is called adverb. मेरे घर के आगे एक बड़ा उद्यान है. There is a big park in front of my house. के आगे means in front of. It is adverb. घोड़ा तेज दौड़ता है. घोड़ा means horse. How running? Yes, horse runs fast. तेज is adverb. सीता मीठा गाना गाती है. सीता sings sweetly. गाना means song. How is she singing? Yes, sweetly. मीठा is adverb. वह दवा आपको दिन में 3 बार लेनी है. You have to take the medicine thrice a day. दवा means medicine. दिन में 3 बार, thrice, 1 2 3, 3 means thrice, thrice in a day. Okay, 3 बार is adverb. राम घर के अंदर है. राम is inside the room. के अंदर is adverb. मुझे पैदल मेडल और रुपये पुरस्कार में मिला. I got the prize, a medal and money too. Here given puraskar. Puraskar means it is adverb. Understood? Next, we are going to learn part 17, Mother Teresa. See here, who is she? Yes, Mother Teresa is one of the greatest humanitarian in the world, has ever produced. His entire life was devoted to serving the poor and needy people. Okay, despite being a non-Indian, she had spent almost her whole life helping the people of India. Okay, so we never forget her, always remember her. Mother Teresa, always we should remember. She loved all the Indian. Okay, let me start. Yes, मदर तेरेसा का जन्म अल्बानिया के एक व्यवसायी परिवार में 27 अगस्त 1910 में हुआ. मदर तेरेसा was born in Albania. He is very simple family. Parivar means family. He was born 1910. Okay, August 26th. उनका वास्तविक नाम आग्नेस था. वास्तविक नाम means real name. His real name was Agnes. Then only we called Teresa. 12 वर्ष की अल्प अवस्था में ही उन्होंने यह निश्चय कर लिया. When he was 12 years old, अल्प अवस्था, very young age. Okay, she decided to, what she decided? वे एक सन्यासिनी का जीवन बिताएंगी. He was decided he will become a saint. Okay, सन्यासिनी means saint. जीवन बिताएंगी. His whole life is spent in saint. 18 वर्ष की अवस्था में ही उन्होंने सेवा कार्य प्रारंभ किया. 18 वर्ष means 18 years. When she was 18 years, अवस्था means age. उन्होंने सेवा कार्य प्रारंभ किया. He started to service. सेवा means social service. प्रारंभ किया. She was started. 28 नवंबर 1928 को आग्नेस भारत आई. When she came to India? Yes, 28 November 1928 भारत आई. सन 1948 तक शिक्षिका के रूप में कार्य किया. Till 1948 continuously 20 years his career was shikshika, teacher. Okay, she teach others. फिर आग्नेस ने अपना नाम बदलकर तेरेसा रख लिया. After only she changed his name Teresa. Okay, keep तेरेसा। 1950 में मदर तेरेसा ने मिशनरी ऑफ चैरिटी की स्थापना की। 1950 शी वॉज एस्टैब्लिश्ड मिशनरी ऑफ चैरिटी नेम्ड वन चैरिटी। ओके, उन्होंने अपना सारा जीवन रोगियों की सेवा में लगा दिया। शी वॉज serve the diseased people. Okay, his whole life serve the diseased people. Okay, मदर तेरेसा का विचार है कि मनुष्य का मन ही बीमार होता है। His thought was विचार means thought। मनुष्य का मन ही बीमार होता है। ओके, बीमार मीन्स डिसीज। Men didn't have disease, his mind only have disease. This is her thought. Okay, it is real, no? We feel very fine means we feel fine, we have fine. We feel sick means we have sick. It is the thought of Mother Teresa. Our mind only have disease, not our body. Okay, जब वह मन से रोगी हो जाता है तब शारीरिक रूप से कभी भी ठीक नहीं हो पाता। Men have feel disease in mind, never she become cure, कभी नहीं ठीक नहीं हो पाता। He never cure, his mind is health, his body also will become health। जो दरिद्र है, बीमार है, उन्हें प्रेम की आवश्यकता है। which is very poor and sick, they want only love. Love is necessity for them. उनके प्रति प्रेम करना ही ईश्वर के प्रति सच्चा प्रेम। We not only pray the God, we pray love the deceased people. This is the true love. This is her thought. Okay, 1952 में उन्होंने कलकत्ता में निर्मल हृदय होम की स्थापना की। 1952 she established निर्मल हृदय होम named one institution, संस्था की स्थापना। ओके, पीड़ितों और दलितों की सेवा में किसी प्रकार की पक्षपाती नहीं थी। पक्षपाती मीन्स partiality. She never see the partiality for the needy people and Dalit. Okay, she always service to the needy people and Dalit people. She never see the partiality. उन्होंने सद्भावना बढ़ाने के लिए संसार भर की यात्रा की। She was improve the harmony. So she traveled whole world. संसार भर, संसार means world, संसार भर यात्रा की। She traveled whole world for what? Yes, she was improve the harmony to all. उनकी मान्यता प्यार की भूखी रोटी की भूख से कहीं बड़ी है। Not only hungry is very big, प्यार की भूख, loves hungry, it is very bigger than our stomach hungry. ओके। उनके मिशन से प्रेरणा लेकर संसार के विभिन्न भागों में जाकर गरीबों और कोटियों की सेवा की। प्रेरणा मीन्स awareness. He went whole country and service the poor. Garib means poor and needy people. He served the needy people. मदर तेरेसा द्वारा स्थापित संस्थाएं 123 देशों में हर तरह के सामाजिक कल्याण कार्य कर रही है। Through her institution, now where 123 countries have सच्चाई सामाजिक कल्याण कार्य। कल्याण कार्य मीन्स वेलफेयर वर्क, डूइंग वेलफेयर वर्क 123 कंट्रीज। ओके। अमेरिका में एक संस्था खोली। शी वॉज एस्टैब्लिश्ड वन इंस्टीट्यूशन इन अमेरिका जिसमें अनाथ बच्चों का पालन पोषण किया जाता है। The orphan children were domestic in this institution in America. ओके। यह एक संयोग की बात है कि मदर तेरेसा ने जिस शहर में अपना काम प्रारंभ किया उनके अंतिम सांस उसी जगह में ली। It is a wonderful matter. Which city he was started his career? अंतिम सांस, his last breath is उसी जगह, in that place only. Okay, his whole life serve. उन्होंने एक बार कहा था, she was told in one time, मैं जन्मी अल्बानिया में, नागरिकता ली भारत की, लेकिन हूँ पूरे संसार की। What means I was born in Albania, citizen of India, and I was in whole world. I live in whole world. That like she told. Is it real? No. Such a wonderful words. भारत सरकार द्वारा 1962 में उन्हें पद्मश्री की उपाधि दी गई। उपाधि मीन्स अवार्ड। इंडियन गवर्नमेंट 1962 gave her पद्मश्री अवार्ड। ओके। 1979 में मदर तेरेसा को महान कल्याणकारी कार्यों के लिए नोबेल पुरस्कार प्रदान किया गया। She got Nobel Prize in 1979। दुख की बात है कि 5 सितंबर 1997 को रात्रि 9 बजे 9:30 बजे दिल के दौरा पड़ने से मदर तेरेसा अपना इस भौतिक शरीर को त्याग कर दिया। He was died in heart attack. Okay, दिल के दौरा पड़ने से she got heart attack and she passed away. वे जीवन की अंतिम घड़ी तक सेवा करती रही। She doing the service in his last minute. Okay, धन्य उनका जीवन। Always be thankful to his life. Understood? We never forgot Mother Teresa. Okay. Shabdarth meanings. First one, Vyavasayi, business. She was a business family. Vyavasayi Parivar. Don't know. Business. Sannyasini means saint. Sharirik, physical. Seva. Seva means what? Yes, service. Daridra means poor. Pakshapat, partiality. Anath, orphan, parivar, family, प्रारंभ means start, rogue means disease, विचार thought, आवश्यकता necessity, विभिन्न बाग different place, बाग means part, विभिन्न बाग means different places, उपाधि means title or award, Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan or Upadhi. Okay. Ulte shab. First one, Janma. Janma means born. Mrityu. What is the Mrityu? Yes, died. Sharirik. Sharirik means body. Mansik. Mansik means mind. Sharir means body. Man means mind. Bimari. Bimari means disease. Opposite, Tandurusti, healthy. Such. Such means true. Jhoot means lie. Fifth one, Khol. Khol means open. Band, the opposite. Band means close. Praramb, opposite. Ant. Praramb means start. Ant means end. Next, रिक्तस्थान भरिए. Fill in the blanks. मदर तेरेसा का वास्तविक नाम डैश था. What is his real name? Yes, वास्तविक नाम Agnes. His real name was Agnes. सन 1949 तक डैश के रूप में कार्य किया. He worked till 1949. Dash work. Yes, Shikshika. Shikshika means teacher. His career was till 1949 is teaching. Okay. ई में मदर तेरेसा ने डैश की स्थापना की. What she established in 1950? Yes, Mission of Charity. The answer is Mission of Charity. मदर तेरेसा की विचार है कि मनुष्य का मन ही डैश होता है. What his thought? What her thought? Yes, men have disease in mind only. मन ही बीमार. Okay. वह जीवन की डैश घड़ी तक सेवा करती रही. She always do the service till dash. Yes, अंतिम घड़ी. Last minute of her life. She is service the poor people. Okay. Next, सही जोड़ मिलाइए. Match the following. First one, Missionary of Charity. Missionary of Charity, when she started? Yes. Number 1, 1950 ई में स्थापना की. She was established Missionary of Charity in 1950. वास्तविक नाम. What is his real name? Yes, Agnes. The answer is Agnes. November 1928 ई में डैश की. The answer is November 1928. Bharat आई. She came India. And she was 18 years old. She came India. Okay. Nirmal Hridaya Home. when she was started Nirmal Hriday Home? Yes, 1952. 1979 May dash. Yes, Nobel Puraskar. She got Nobel Puraskar. Okay. Next, ling badaliye. Change the gender. First one, Mata. Mata means mother. Pita. Answer is Pita. Father. Second one, Adhyapak. Who is Adhyapak? Yes, male teacher. Adhyapika. Gender is Adhyapika. Third one, Kavi. Who is Kavi? Yes, poet. Kaviyatri. Poetess. Kavi, male poet. Kaviyatri, poetess. Sannyasi. Saint. The gender is Sannyasini. The female, saint. Sannyasini. Praram. Vachan badaliye. Change the plural. Kavita. Kavita means poem. Kavitaye, poems. Kavita, poem. Kavitaye, poems. Bhasha. Bhasha means language. What is the plural form? Bhashaye, languages. Rachana. Rachana means creation. Rachanaye. Upadhi. Upadhi means title or award. Answer is Upadhyang. Bhavana. Bhavanaye. Feeling. Feelings. School, plural form. School only. Understood? Yes, very good. My dear students, take your classwork note. Write the meanings, opposite, fill in the blanks, match the following, singular, plural, and the gender also. Write neatly and prepare well. Okay. Next, we are going to learn Bolchal Hindi. Let me start. Yes, very good. Dear students, next we are going to learn Bolchal Hindi. Samvad. Samvad means conversation. Okay. Where is the conversation? Yes, किताब की दुकान. बुकशॉप. किताब बेचने वाले और ग्राहक की बातचीत. बुक सेलर and the customer. ग्राहक means customer. किताब बेचने वाला. Who is किताब बेचने वाला? Yes, book seller. Okay. Customer went to his bookshop. Let me start. Dukandar. Dukan means shop. Dukandar, shopkeeper. Already we know. दुकानदार what asking? आइए अंदर आइए, आपको कौन सी किताबें चाहिए? Come sir, please come in. What do you want? Which type books do you want? कौन सी किताबें? Which book do you want? ग्राहक. Who is ग्राहक? Yes, customer. मुझे विशन बुक्स महल की किताबें चाहिए. I want Vishan Books Mahal. The publisher name is Vishan Books Mahal. Published book I want. Chahiye means I want. That like asking. दुकानदार आपको क्या क्या किताबें चाहिए? Which book do you want? What book do you want? ग्राहक मुझे कक्षा 1 से 5 तक की किताबें चाहिए. I want class standard 1st to 5th books, that like asking. मुझे कक्षा 1 से 5 तक फर्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड टू 5th स्टैंडर्ड बुक्स आई वांट, that like asking. दुकानदार, लीजिए विशन हिंदी किताबें, प्लीज़ टेक इट विशन हिंदी बुक्स. ग्राहक, क्या आपके पास रामायण की किताबें हैं? डू यू हैव रामायण बुक्स, दैट लाइक आस्किंग. दुकानदार, हाँ इसे देखिए, वाल्मीकि रामायण, तुलसी रामायण और कंबर रामायण, ऑल बुक्स हैविंग. सी हियर, देखिए, प्लीज सी हियर, दिस आर वाल्मीकि रामायण. वाल्मीकि रोट रामायण, नो, वाल्मीकि, तुलसीदास, कंबर, दिस आर wrote Ramayana. All types Ramayana I have. That like Dukandar telling. ग्राहक, मुझे कंब रामायण किताबें चाहिए. आई वांट कंब रामायण बुक. इसका दाम क्या है? व्हाट इज द प्राइस? दाम, दाम मीन्स यस प्राइस. व्हाट इज द प्राइस? दुकानदार, सिर्फ 500 रुपये, ओनली 500, ओनली 500 रुपीज़. सिर्फ मीन्स ओनली. ग्राहक, दाम में कटौती मिलेगा? व्हाट ही आस्किंग? एनी डिस्काउंट इन दिस बुक? कटौती, कटौती मीन्स डिस्काउंट. दुकानदार, हाँ 10% की कटौती देता हूँ. यस आई गिव 10% डिस्काउंट. आई विल गिव 10% डिस्काउंट. ग्राहक, अच्छा रकम लीजिए. रकम मीन्स रुपीस, प्लीज टेक रुपीस. दुकानदार, धन्यवाद. शॉपकीपर टेलिंग thank you. Dear students, do you understand this conversation? Yes, it is very easy, no? Very good. You will discuss this with your siblings, friends and relatives and your parents also. It is very, very useful for you, dears. Okay. The Shivaji whole lesson fully listen many times and then write the meanings, opposites in your class work note. Okay. धन्यवाद बच्चों. Thank you children. Bye.